Good day to one and all. Now we can discuss chapter GST, exercise 1A, question number 13. Mr. Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family and paid rupees 900 as SGST. Find the total annual premium paid by him for this policy. Rate of GST being 18%. So what are the things given? GST in rupees is given as 900, not in percentage form. SGST is given as 900. So, GST in percentage form is given as 18%. So, SGST is given as 900 means what will be CGST? CGST will be same as SGST, no? So, CGST also will be 900. So, GST in rupees will be what? See, total GST will be what? We are paying to the government 900 rupees as SGST and 900 rupees as CGST. So, total GST will be what? 900 plus 900. Okay, 1800. Then, in percentage form, given GST is given as what? 18%. So, next what we want to do? What are the things given? Look properly. Mr. Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family and paid rupees 900 as SGST. So, GST paid will be 900 plus 900, 1800. Up to that clear, I think so. Find the total annual premium paid by him. So, that amount we don't know. For that amount, he is paying 18% GST. We don't know the amount. So, we don't know the amount means let it be X. So, 18% of that amount, understood? That is what? Which one? We got what? 1800. Clear? That means GST he is paying. GST in rupees we have. That is 900 plus 900, 1800 we have. That GST is what? Some amount he don't know. We don't know that amount. The 18% of that amount is which one? 1800. So we can equate that. 18% of X, we don't know the amount, let it be X. So 18% of X is equal to what? 1800. Got it? We can do it. Given GST in percentage form is which one? 18% GST. Also given SGST he paid is 900 rupees. Since SGST is 900 means CGST also will be what? 900. That is together SGST plus CGST is what? GST. So how much amount as GST? He paid 900 rupees plus again 900 rupees, that is CGST plus SGST is equal to 1800 rupees as GST. He paid 1800 rupees as GST. Got it? Then next what we want to find out? We want to find out which one? Read the question. Total annual premium paid by him. So, premium we don't know. Let it be what? Let the annual premium be. Let the annual premium be X. We don't know. For that, he is paying 18% GST. So, GST is paying. We have GST as 1800. Again, 18% GST is paying. We don't know the amount. So, 18% of X. 18% of X. We have GST. That amount we know. GST how much he is paying. That amount we know. That is 1800. But total amount we don't know. We want to find the premium amount. So, 18% of that amount is what? 1800. So, we can equate these two. So, how can we write? Therefore, 18% of X will be 1800. Both are same. Why? Because 18% of that premium amount is what? 1800. Given 900 as SGST. So 18% of X, that is 18 by 100 into X is equal to 1800. So X we want to find. X means right side 1800 is the, so from the left side 18 by 100, if we take to the right side it will become 100 by 18. So X is equal to how much rupees? 18 and 18 we can cancel one time, then 0 0 0 0 itself. So 1 0 0, that is 100 into 100. So X will be what? 1 0 0 here. So X is the 10,000 rupees, that is therefore amount of annual premium we have to find out. So for total amount, total annual premium paid by him is equal to 10,000 rupees. Therefore, last line right, therefore total premium is equal to rupees 10,000. Question number 40. Mr. Malik went on a tour to Goa. He took a room in a hotel for 2 days at the rate of rupees 5,000 per day. On the same day, his friend John also joined him. Hotel provided an extra bed charging rupees 1,000 per day for the bed. How much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel in the bill to Mr. Malik for both the days? So rate, that means rent. What I mean is rent. Rent per day is given as what? Rupees 5,000. He stayed for 2 days. So what will be the rent for 2 days? It will be 5,000 plus 5,000. It is 10,000. Then his friend also joined. So 1,000 rupees is for extra bed. He also stayed there 2 days. So total amount will be what? 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000 rupees. So extra bed, charge of extra bed for 2 days is 2,000 rupees and rent for that room is 5,000 plus 5,000, 10,000 rupees. Okay. So total rent will be what? 10,000 plus 2,000, which is equal to 12,000. So up to that we can write first. Rent per day is rupees 5,000. So rent for 2 days is equal to 5,000 into 2, that is 10,000, or we can write 5,000 plus 5,000, 10,000 rupees. Extra bed charge is what? 1,000 rupees. So for 2 days it will be 2,000 rupees. So total rent will be what? 10,000 plus 2,000 is equal to 12,000. So GST, they paid GST is given as what? 28%. GST in percentage is 28%. So how much amount he has to pay? What is our question? Our question is, read the question once again. How much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel in the bill to Mr. Malik for both the days? We want to find only the GST. So how much GST we have to, that person want to pay, not the total amount. GST paid is equal to what? Amount is how much? 12,000. So GST paid by them, GST paid is equal to what? For both the days. GST paid for both the days will be 28% of this amount, 12,000. Got it? So how can we write? Is equal to 28 by 100 into 12,000. So cancellation. Do all the cancellation. You will get it as 3360. 3360. So they had to pay rupees 3360 as GST. They asked to find us GST only. So rupees 3,360 rupees they have to pay as GST. Okay. Next question number 15, last question from that exercise. Ashraf went to see a movie. He wanted to purchase a movie ticket for rupees 80. As the ticket for rupees 80 was not available, he purchased a ticket for rupees 120 of upper class. How much extra GST did he pay for the ticket? GST for a ticket below 100 is 18% and GST for a ticket above 100 is 28%. So we want to find out the extra amount he wished to get a ticket from which one? Below 100 rupees only. But he got above 100. So that difference we want to find out. That is our question. So what we want to do first? What are the things given? GST for a ticket below rupees 100 is given as 18%. So write down GST for a ticket. GST for a ticket below 100. Below rupees 100 is what? 18%. To avoid confusion, I am writing all these steps. Okay. So GST for a ticket below rupees 100 is 18%. So GST paid for below 100 is how much? Rupees 80. Therefore GST paid on rupees 18 is what? GST paid for a ticket below 100. So below 100 means rupees 80 belongs to that category. No. So GST paid on what? Rupees 80 is equal to GST paid on rupees 80. For 80 rupees, GST paid is below 100, it is 18%. So how can we find out? 18% of 80 rupees. That is 18 by 100 into 80. So cancel it. You will get it as 14.40 rupees. Same way, GST for ticket above 100 is what? GST for a ticket above 100 is given as 28%. GST paid above 100 means 120 belongs to that category. So GST paid on rupees 120 will be GST paid on rupees 120 will be what? 28% of what? 120 rupees. That is 28 by 100 into 120. That is 33.60 rupees. 33.60 rupees. Here also you want to write rupees. He wishes to pay what? He will purchase a ticket of rupees 80 only. But he got a ticket of rupees 120 rupees. So how much extra he is paying? That is 33.60 minus 14.40. So next, extra GST paid by him is equal to how much? Therefore, extra GST paid is equal to 33.60 minus 14.40. This 19.20 rupees. So extra GST paid by him is 19.20. Okay. Thank you all of you.